Ngai, nikiureka we mwehia we.
Yani ni kindu ona baba anyu athiaga uguo barabara ni mutumia wa my son.
My son ni ore rekire.
Ngai
Newe hia wakwa.
Ni hia wakwa.
Come on.
Well,
Tanto tiga.
yeah, I see, I get. I don't know.
Yeah. Tani ntozejie odo twekete ate because we have made it so normal. Mindset yo netwagire gucenjia na twaga gwika uguo agutire kundu turathie no menya ginya generation ino iroka thutha witu ri ithukite tigo go turuga ithu twi horu yo ni o
ndaragi nake kai ni arajirire maundu ndauga wai. Can you imagine like tunaona uguo Ketabe tusokeli ithuĩ back in rĩrĩa waingĩrire form 1 woe ndo nĩkĩ woe my friend
ni adirikana ndi no dio by the tutio
really
sugar sana
really
sugar maisha form 1
oh my god
form 1 kino
kawaikaraga kuwe itura ririku we
form 1 wabirere omere maundu maya ri kiria
joy
ni ko form 1
nduri undu woe
ashani
okay ni sawa it's
okay ni ndakioya atiriri ndi muiretu
you are aware
lakini ndia ni mwanake
you are aware of some of the things the sneaky links zilikuwa zina happen. Why?
Ni by then ona dirahenania. Ni ndamenyaga ni ndi muiretu lakini ndia ni mwanake. Na mhe undu andu ni maiguaga kaundu somehow.
Kaundu tu.
Kaundu somehow. No ndiamenyaga ati mundu no athie beyond kaundu kau somehow.
Okay.
No by the time turarikia form 4 niko ndakimenyire to sneaky links to tweka.
Twekago.
Yeah.
So now imagine right now Hemodo by the probably know your toy. Some of your classmates may be in a moi.
Of course ni ndaigwa kwanza kwa ni twamakaga tondu teru de high school heka ire tugokaga game mwathani kakabia gutwiraga kurathire kurekwo angare angare ko kari wale kai nikiureka we mwehia we ndaigwa ni no ni ngiriki irario French
niĩ rĩu ndĩragĩthire handũ rĩu mũndũ ũcio aranjĩraga acamanirie no mũndũ arĩ class 8 etereire gũthiĩ form 1 aracamania na kamũndũ kau maũndũ marĩa karamuonirie
ati kamũndũ kau kaigana atĩa
nĩ hĩndĩ karenda kũingĩra form 1
ona ndagithie mũno
kamũndũ kau maũndũ marĩa karamuonirie nĩ maũndũ we harĩ nĩ mũndũ mũgima ona
na ndoi
ti ati ndoi aratwarirwo reke go explain re kuri aratwarirwo no ehe njira iria this is a normal road ya guthie tao we aratwarirwo tao wega twaritwo no uria mundu athia gacukira stage oskira stage utekwagire gucuka osoka makaga uka soka atia kuguma ashutisio atwarirwo backseat eko backseat ona ni aramenya kuri ari angigacoka komenya rutiere agerio re Rift Valley
just like that
Rift Valley na gutire na thina farainywe Dika tu hamwe ginya hau ni uramenya kuria ngutwarire no ria mundu mwikari ni thiete uguo ukarika ngai nyuma njukire GPO ugacukira riri Serena wasukari makanga gakwira we ukana guku
tureke
soka gari ni theinie gatiho gacagacainĩ ĩno ya gũcokio ngari-inĩ Rift Valley
nĩ kamũndũ karaingĩra form 1
Taimaji.
Nende kone kama mundu kena miaka igana?
14?
12, 13, 14.
Mundu menyete Rift Valley. At that age.
Mundu yuri reke jurie kiuria na ndigathukie. Mundu ratoro Rift Valley igana atia?
We, niki, ni undu wa maundu maingĩ. Ona ndimo ni karugano ndarĩrĩrĩ no rĩko wĩ handũ mabati-inĩ ũrathikĩrĩria story ciene nĩguo ndaigua
sama.
Can you imagine mũndũ at that age aragũtwara ũguo that kind of a roller coaster?
I'm not even shocked. Ndingĩkĩmakio nĩ ũndũ ta ũcio. Ona ngwĩciria mũndũ ũrathiĩ form 1 rĩ, ona nĩ mũndũ ũikarĩte mũno tathiĩ bae
ngai tiga itherũ
kiurauga we ona oria twana toto tũnini rĩ, we nduona twana TikTok tworio kĩũria akwĩra kĩũndũ akambia akauga kĩũndũ kamba ũkamaka na nĩ mwana wĩna mĩaka 5. Umenya thimũ ici ciũkĩte cigacenjia maũndũ maingĩ mũno. TV
so with that kind of a person agĩkinya level ya rĩrĩ ni arenda gũsettle na mũndũ afu that's the kind of life amekuwa nayo.
Niambie kama itawaka. You see, nona kĩrĩa ndĩrauga nona harĩa tũrĩ.
So what do we do?
Tigoguo tigona mũndũ ũyũ nditugere nĩtũcoke hau tũkugaga ha form 4 nona experience, nona CV, nona nĩ page cigana ũrarehe na niĩ ndauga atĩrĩrĩ ndirĩ mũthingu. I am not better than anybody. But there are things twagĩrĩirwo kũrora. Nĩ wakĩreherwo CV. Nona CV ĩyo
ndĩrakĩmakia
kuma 6. By the time ũroka atĩ irora ya mũndũ rĩ, na tokorwo nĩ mũndũ ũtarĩ na CV ta yaku rĩ, ka CV gake nĩ page 4 rĩ,
na thĩinĩ wa page icio rĩ ndarĩ ũndũ oĩ,
ndarĩ na maũndũ maingĩ,
ona ndarĩ ũndũ oĩ
ta mwana that somebody was ũrĩa watwarirwo Rift Valley. Uyu uratwara na Rift Valley rĩ, uyu urauga coka haha toka haha
ukara uasuka tene
ureciria nĩ agũkenio nĩ mũndũ ũtoyũ aratwara Rift Valley uyu ũtarĩ kĩndũ.
Yes.
Arafu ukoya that is the reason agũtiga mũndũ. Tũtingĩiguana, we are not on the same level. Andũ nĩ meke atĩ.
Let me ask you, by the way, on that point, ungikora mũndũ ina experience theory, is that a factor for you to say no?
It is not. It is not. If
I think for most men would be a little bit intimidated and scared of.
Okay, first of all,
okay, it's a good adventure, but yeah, okay, you could. Well, for me, I can be interested na kutaka kujua. Oh, okay, what else do you know? But Korea do megukome like no.
I think obviously just as a human being he uria gwiciria no angikorwo ni mundu ke hakiri na emotionally twe handu hamwe ri and we want the same things, those are things we can work around. Mauni maundu tungi
brush off
tutingi brush off
like
ariria mauni maundu tungi hoera mauni maundu tungi ni wadu salt is na what not we
pray for what,
for all those things
you've done
to be breaking, yes, all those sins that
for the Rift Valley
ni diga kwe muligo wa Rift Valley de urehe haha na ti wakwa ni wako
what was I saying
tukuga atiriri na kuona na mirigo ya Rift Valley na nduma muligo wako uma muligo waku no nona tuoka twa decide tureka kindu giki hamwe mirigo yaku igutwika mirigo yakwa riu rekuithia mirigo tagire gukorwo gikua na mirigo ni agikuirwo ni Jesu riu ure mure kuithia ke motithie mugere Ngai nie maundu maya mothe jehereria ni ndona mundu na ni turenda gwika this something, you know. to allow us to do this thing and break these things that we have carried, these miracles. Allow us to put them down.
Apart from gukorwo ati relationship sitira work cause sirabia on a long foot.
What are the reasons?
What do you think are some of maybe other reasons zenye zinafanya?
Besha, money. Money is a big problem.
Why money? Because there's no patience.
Definitely. Even the expectations tukoretwo nacio ri ni ciana. Riu ri tondu baba wanyu ri ni ahotaga gukurihira kiria ri university, baba dada pocket money agutumira, dadidire agagutumira, baba itu agutumira.
So when
when this somebody comes, agirirwo ku assume that responsibility.
Okay. Okay, I get. All right.
Aya. Tondu kwanyu ni wakionire mamu wanyu ni ali contributor wa 50-50 kana maybe that's what you thought happens. Tondu tutikemenyaga no me atwiciragia nituramenya uria aciari itu mareka maundu na sometimes we don't have the details. Ni uguo niguo waki observe ugeciria mwiritu okona akiagirirwo guteithia ngakugura agageka shopping agageka kina tokorwo weri akurire in a family where the father was doing maundu mothe no that kind of
setup
we are not meeting somewhere in the middle.
Do you think it's a problem of communication?
Yes, it's a huge problem. It is a huge problem in communication, in patience, in expectations. Arafu ri ni turenda maundu microwave muno kikibesha handu ha woe mundu waku mwirore mwiyurie haria mukinyite murore economy eno ya uria
mzee Ruto
mugokira tene
mugeke atia
tuthure kiria
ki
Dego.
Okay.
Mchere. Eni.
Mugokira tene tondu
Ninaona adoko ya this somebody of viewers murore economy area mwenayo mwetekire mwabie bedisita muri agiritha no mote go save mote kugura
he muthenya ndirakire ndirona atiriri most of relationships cia ici sitige work tatene because reason ata ungepata like I was ni mudo ndirona agi complain why relationship as work direciria atiriri why nowadays men are not pursuing. Then I could pursue anyone. Like our gukas, they could go for anyone.
Anybody,
as long as they are willing to go down that road. Once this person settles, they settle for good. But nowadays, you'd rather go for. You cannot go beyond your.
What you think is your
like class, you'll always go for your class todo you feel intimidated to go above your class to it will not work because of certain ABCD that involves patience, that involves money and all that.
Okay, no ni twagire gukorwo tu ambitious no ragithie wo urenda mundu above your class ni kinani ramenya mutingithiania.
Well, don't you think? Tarora kesi tayari. Imagine everyone would want to have a beautiful wife.
Yeah.
Yani, and a beautiful space.
Yes.
For yourself.
Yes.
Beauty, they define na. How do you define beauty?
It is subjective. Kiria wana githaka he mundu wonaga gai ni ndige.
Now what of kiria mundu wothe onaga ni githaka? So right now most of us tutigethie for what everyone sees as beautiful and pretty, because you very well know that modo yakoda in a settled mind, they'll be easily withdrawn from you.
Yes.
So I think that's one of the reasons, the many reasons why most men are not willing to pursue anyone. It's either the feeling is mutual. It's either it's mutual ama haiko. So me kujaribu kupersuade, hey, come to me, I'll not do that effort, because I know once I do that na yani mimi ndo nakuvuta, it will end in premium tears.
No uli. Na tiate ndanyita uria urauga 100%.
Yes.
Rwe drona hau ni turahitia kwenda kindu namenya turenda kindu githaka na nja, which is normal, which makes sense. Of course gutire mundu utangienda kindu arona giki ni githaka.
Everyone would want to be like
yani ki decorate to yani ni kombe yani gaiganywa shai gutire mundu ta
every guy would want to be Jay Blessing. Anyway, because Jay Blessing, yo, he is blessed, motherfucker. He's blessed. Anyway.
Well,
yeah,
I get it.
Yeah, you get it.
I get it that you want something beauty, something shiny.
Neguo.
Yani shiny, everybody
Kidu
can see.
papa kirogo akauga guy.
Never my son.
Kino diendera ugire. Guku mundu ndakanagura iria. Ng'ombe ria irutaga kilo 20 muthenya umwe ni yaku kumanagia na umuthi.
Ni uri urekire.
Ni You have brought pride in my house.
Yeah.
You have brought rights.
Yeah.
Mwathani agocwo.
Amen.
Like
hallelujah.
Yani ni kindu ona baba wanyu athiaga uguo barabara. Ni mutumia wa my son.
My son no ni uri urekire. Ni guteuga gutiri mundu tangienda uguo.
Yeah.
No kiundu kiu no me ati sustainable.
Yeah.
Waguthira hakiri ri. Ni ukaga ukamenya atiriri kiundu kiu shaini ri. Ona wakiga gishainage. Tokoro kiundu uria kiagirirwo gwika ri. The purpose of this thing. Gitingika.
And the purpose is a sustainable marriage.
Yes. The purpose is sustainability. Tuthie tukinye miaka naite na bado no tureka this thing called life hamwe. Alafu kindu giki shaini ri. Ona okorwo ni gikombe shaini. No menya to yo kunywa cai nakio. Ureciria no yo rakienda.
Lord is nice. Yeah.
Ni na ni kombe nini muno shaini cigwitikira.
Yeah.
Cigwo handu hamwe. Yani cikare in one place with one owner.
Yes.
The fact that gikombe giki shaini ni kiwe ni shaini.
Yeah? Yes.
Nikiramenya no thio na no thio. Why do you want somebody like that?
Wow.
No na priorities iria twenacio. We are not doing okay. Na maundu shaine itakuja hata itakubo.
Okay. Okay.
Kenda gikombe ukwenda gikombe riri kombe multi-purpose ikombe githaka
gikombe gya
kinywa cai kinywa coro gikombe giki no nywe na kio nginya juice
neguo
ndenda soda ni gikunywa you get ikombe kingi multi-purpose tiga korora this shininess
urarora gikombe na nja
urarora gikombe na nja ndura the purpose ya gikombe giki to mwaka gikoro it is the shiniest cup and I'm not saying that
for both genders, boys and girls,
of course.
Yeah.
Yes, tuache kuangalia na sisemi reke gwire reke njoke hau Ngai Ngai yuko designera mundu ri ndakana ku designera mundu utaroraga ukaigwa with the monks ndakana guo which god ake design ka mundu gaka kauga gaka kari koria no we mwenyewe wihiteirie.
Okay.
You go for something he had not designed for you.
How do you do that? How do you go for the person mwenye God alikuwa amekudesign? How do you tell, oh, this is the person?
Itawa discernment. How atire undu there is no way
I feel like I always think like ule mtu utaenda up na yeye
ndio God alikuwa ameamua.
No. Ni wewe umeamua. Since umeamua, God akaamua ku bless what you decided to do.
Tire undu tekagate just like that. Yani urageria kuga there is no person designed for you.
That's what I would want to think.
There's somebody. There's somebody, but there is not one body.
Where are they?
I don't think there's one somebody.
Where are they?
They are there.
Where?
Edu practice ka patience hanini.
How?
Arafu ri wige muno na Ngai ni egukuonia tukamake. Na ndegukuonia oke akwire Ngai kinuthia.
So jike atia.
Ndakura gitagwo discernment. He maundu mamwe itangihota kwaririria because tutikarikia.
That you don't nayo like
ndakora Ngai ndakoheire sixth sense, ndakoheire instinct.
Well, it's there, but ukikiri na ndu ukinya ukaigua oh my god, this person was meant to be mine.
To simplify
but
that question, let me keguria nigetha go simplify re rimwe ri ni kwaura niguo ugeciria woe nduthi warora andu a nduthi ri aria meigite hau ri ni umenya uyu angua na ti ate ni aria gukua before uyu angua
no ikongoithia
manma yao na no ikongoithia nawe ndakwira woya nduthi iyo no murigwa
igwa
he mundu uroraga ngore yaku igetikira na hakiri igetikira niguo ona ugithie ri ndurathie na wasiwasi umenye nginya wasiwasi ucio no ukuguithie niguo just the fact that iyo niyo energy ukuwete.
Well, I think in my life ndire ndekora handu ndi very certain
utikoragwo na very certain utigakorwo na ndigwiciria by the time urakinya ate 100% this is it ni muthiathiete.
You are like what
as in tiate muthiathiete in marriage muthiathiete kumenyana
like what year is that?
I don't think there's year there's time even months even weeks, who knows,
because okay, this I'll tell you off camera.
Ndio kagate automatically ati umuthi ogokira ati ntwakorana na kinu thiana Ngai ni anjira Joani
this is it
niwe uyu tigwicira guthia
na
angikoro guthia gogo monjere comment section, but me in my journey that is not how it goes. Maundu maya ni meda patience. Ngai ekuiga somebody in your life for that particular purpose.
Oh yeah.
And if you miss that train, tiate another train will not come. You get, if you are supposed to ume haha Nairobi ukinye Mombasa, tiate SGR ya the mwe ya thiri ati dukana kinya Mombasa riki he train ige eguka na egukinyie nona. He has designed that dwagiriro guikara on this earth on your own. Wewe igana kiri train ya themwe okari ni ukumenya train yo ni agiriro kuginya Mombasa nage korene mugothie it is quite complicated and that is why wagiriro kuiga somewhere close to him nigetha ukoragwo na leakage. Life is now you can imagine it is that complicated we hakwe nake. Tell me how complicated it is without him. Nikio tureka mathafu mao ana nikiathiri kindu kia there is nothing working. Kabede intention yako Duma atotokorwo na this conversation na thie that direction, but it is the only way.
Ushafika point unafikiria like I think I should be alone. I don't think so. When you get to that point si ni juna kwamba umefika ukaona like there's nothing close to hata there's no mwenenis hatire na otheri haha hata kire itarakiwona
tuikare we wiki no ugira guikara we wiki ne kiria
greatness
you stay alone.
Yeah,
but that is not tiate wikare o wikara we wiki maisha maku mabe
It's possible.
Okay, wako waulia. Joani na me atakolira hamwe ma. Akopera sai. Don't do that. Okay, mukoro tondu gutire mundu wa kurugira oroka gwakwa.
Na muthuri waku.
Na muthuri wa waswe. No ko to akolira hamwe dikoda. No ko da kumenyire when you are this young age kenothia. Don't do that mathafu. Na ndakwira tha ici by the way.
Atia.
Ndio kwa ndirakura. Yeah, ni the serious yo no korone podcast tureka.
Basi onako ni gaenda kuko deikai. Digoka. Nigakurira thimu. Ni ndenda gucera kana.
Ningatumaga kiria twana tugakurehera. No.
Because me, I will not subject myself to certain situations.
That is not what you are designed for.
Yeah.
Mundu aigua ni wakinya handu na ni urenda wikara we wikire. Work on yourself. Focus on work. Focus on maundu maya mothe mokaga in their own time. Maybe by the time you're feeling you want to stay alone,
you've seen a lot.
That is not the season for that kiodos. You get?
No, I think Modo Akinya could make that decision because you feel like, Ama, you've seen that there's nothing
working for you
in that direction, in that perspective, and there's no time that itawai work.
There's no time itawai work. Toeni. Semeni mimi penye nimefika utiri kidu kira work.
Alright.
And I need some time off. Na we that time off kwe improve nigetha by the time you're getting to a situation where ni urenda mundu kana mundu ni aroka agukore with the best version of yourself, and not only at emotionally ginya financially ginya career wise nigetha hatikana corona issue ya haha na ndukinyite haria wagirirwo gukinya nona Nike tutige gutengeria maundu maya riu we 22 na urauga ati agaga me I want to stay alone. Of course stay alone.
Yeah.
22 kila tengeria.
The issue of by being alone makes a better version of you. Do you think that's it?
I think being alone you can make a better version of yourself if you decide. Everything everything
and still work. You can make a decision of being better when you're with anyone.
Somebody, yes.
Yeah. So okay. Okay. Me, I'm done.
Even me. Yeah. Ene tokinya hau. Maundu macio mothe tugari. Tutirauga ati we are specialists kana we are athingu kana ithui ni ithui toi agikowe na opinion igi different rita twire comment section tuirasa hau Joani hau augari ni ndigwiciria guthiaga uguo nie ni njikarite miaka igana ona na uria nyonete what has worked for me is like this tukoragwo tu open to opinions. That's why we are doing this whole thing. That's why podcasting no eho nigetha twaranirie unaona agikohe undu wikite and it has worked. Jira Joani by the way ri tidau eka oguone haku try this uone kama utapata ka somebody na sijasema sina but nasema
anyone out there,
even me
who is willing to look in your direction.
Sijasema niko sigo lakini sijasema siko sigo unaona.
You know that can be used against you in the court of law.
Yes, but
you saying that
nimesema
make this point because you know there are people who are going to watch this.
You will watch.
And I don't want to vitas. Ni dikwenda gukuhurwo. Ngiurio
ni de kariba.
Ni de murara kiriria.
Kariba.
Kama tari hakiri njega.
No ara yogo.
You are who you are.
Me, I am her, yes. Yeah.
And that means anyone. Can try nikiria pursue.
We nduri wona ginya kambuni ciena employees bado no cioyaga CV.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, hakwa o turia njugire Jesu ni murithi wa ng'ondu ciake.
Yeah.
Na hindi o yothe ng'ondu icio ciake mukira ri ni ciamukirwo ni turamukira ng'ondu.
Haya.
Anyway,
Ni ng'ondu ni cio target
we ni ndinaga uguo we
message
ni ndauga atiriri
kai
ni ndirio haho uguo uranyona uguo wanyona niguo hana ni ndiroria Ngai andore na ritho ria tha tondu inwe ndakirira ndo miaka ni raithie
Guys,
tani tuli podcast ilo tani. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you. Na mo subscribe, na mo share, na mo hit the notification bell. Nigetha algorithm ya YouTube.
Oh my God.
Etware ka video gaka ko yani kono ni andu aingi. Arafu ri tukorane haria TikTok.
Yeah, focus.
Joani wa Rugo.
Purple Sam Kinadia. By the way, we need to open a TikTok for this.
We shall. By the time we're on TikTok, ni mukora o ritwa ririria podcast mukurikora TikTok.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Bye. Nice.